Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application. Today we will show you how to share your TikTok account with others. So let's go to this app, and right now we will show you the best and the most convenient way to do this. So when we are on the profile page, we need to tap on the three lines at the top of the screen and click on the settings and privacy option. Here we have this special and really cool feature like share profile. Let's tap on it one time, and this is very convenient option because here we can share our profile with our friends. We can copy link and use other application to share our account. As an example, I will choose the option to share my account with TikTok friends. Later on the list, I need to find the needful user and tap on the dot opposite its name, his name, to send my account link. Later, let's tap on the send option at the bottom of the screen and wait a minute. As you can see, we have the notification that we have sent our account link for the selected user, and we did it successfully, as you can check. So don't forget also about the special options like QR code, which can also help us to smoothly share with others our account. We can download, as an example, this QR code to use it in the needful time smoothly and quickly. Also, we can share it in our stories, Snapchat, WhatsApp, etc. Let's save our QR code and save it to the gallery app. And as you can see, we have the notification that this process was successfully done. Let's check it. And yes, we have our QR codes in the photo application. So right now, guys, I hope that you know how to smoothly and quickly share your profile with your friends, with someone else. Don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channel on YouTube and also on TikTok. Good luck! Bye bye!